Yo, my homies, it's your boy, Polar Bear E. Thought y'all would like to see how to be a rap star just like me. If it sounds good, grab your favorite beverage, chill out, max, relax, and we'll get to rapping. Hey y'all, sorry, Polar Bear E had to kind of fly. He had a little mishap, so he's out doing whatever he's doing, and you got Polar Bear Ed here. But I taught him to be a rapper, so I'm going to teach you all. So I want to start out here. Got me some sun-dried tomato and basil wraps and some green spinach wrap, or garden spinach wraps. So I'm going to start out. I'm going to start out with the garden spinach wrap. We got some shredded chicken here. So I'm going to grab a nice heaping handful there. Kind of put it in the middle. Just like that. Maybe a little bit more. Alright. This one's going to be a chicken bacon wrap. So we got some bacon here. And we got our ranch dressing. I guess we don't have to take that top off like that. Figure out how this bottle comes open. There we go. I want to slather it up with a heaping helping of the ranch here. So there's that. I'm just going to fold that over. Fold that over. Make sure you get them tucked in there, nice and neat, like that. There you go, y'all. Perfect wrap. Alright, there's that one. Now we're going to take one of the sun-dried tomato and we're going to make a Caesar, chicken Caesar wrap. So grab another handful of your chicken there. I like this shredded chicken. It's easy, good. So there's that. Oh, we forgot to put cheese on that other one. So this is feta cheese. I like feta cheese. So we're going to put a little extra in there. And we got our creamy Caesar dressing. Alright. Same thing as before. Fold that up. Fold that one up. Make sure you bring that up in there. And just fold that one over. Alright. Let's open this one back up. We're going to throw some cheese in this one. We got Parmesan. Shredded Parm. Can't have a wrap without cheese. You know, it's not easy being cheesy. Alright. Bring that back up like that. Back up like that. Back over like that. Flip her right on there like that. So, alright. Now, we got to get the griddle out. We're going to grill these up. Get them good and warm. So, give me a second. We'll bring you all right back. Alright, y'all. Got the griddle out here. We're just going to put a little bit of spray on here. Now this works really good on a press, if you have a press. So, I went ahead and made up a couple more, just to use that chicken up. So, get them on there. Oh, my wrapping skills are fading there a little bit. There we go. Alright, got that on there. Now, we're going to let them heat up, get crispy on that side. We'll flip them over. We'll do the other side. So, chill out and we'll get back to you when we're ready to flip them. Alright, y'all. They've been grilling for a little bit here. Ooh, yeah. Got a little bit of brown on there. Perfect. That one's a little light, but we can go with it. So, alright. And let them cook on that side for just a little bit, and we'll bring you all back. Alright, y'all. Those are all done. Got them grilled up today. Well, we got the beverage of the day first. It's a old time Caribbean blend. This is the mango. I've never had this one before, so we're gonna do a live tasting right now. I like mango, so. Ooh, it's really good. Alright. I'm glad it was good. Wouldn't want to ruin my meal, so. Alright. Just gonna start out here. I want to start out with this, I guess it's the Caesar one if I remember correctly. So. Nothing better than a nice chicken wrap. Chicken bacon ranch now. I don't know which one's better. Bacon's good. Caesar's good. Maybe we'll have to try it together. I don't know. Maybe we will. Oh, that mango goes good with that chicken, so. Alright. There you all have it. How to be a rap star. Hope you enjoyed it. Did? Please leave me a like. Hit that comment section down there. Leave me a comment. Tell me you liked it. You know, y'all come back Sunday night, 7 p.m. Hang out for the live stream. Chat about everything. Like I said, hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. As always, Bear Appetit.